All right, so you can see that I've logged in as a student and I have not gone through my user menu and edited my profile to show a picture. But anyway, so this is what the student is going to experience. I just want to do a quick walkthrough. Home sends us to this page, so wherever we are in the website, clicking home returns us to this page. Dashboard represents a collection of all the classes that I, as the student, or if I was a teacher, am connected with. And it shows the recently accessed courses up at the top. Plus down here is a growing list of all the courses that I am either teaching or a student in. This dashboard also includes a calendar that shows some assignments that were past due and some assignments that are soon to be due. I have some timelines of recent events that are coming up, that are due, coming soon. This is just really kind of cool. I could click on events, and if there were events that were listed in the calendar, I would see them right, there we go, right here. I could see things going on in my calendar. I'm going to click on my courses, which then leads me to the one class that I am a member of. And that is basically the overview of really Dashboard, which is your dashboard showing you what assignments you have upcoming. It's a way to access your recently accessed courses and a way to look at your calendar of events.